Looking to upgrade your car with Apple CarPlay in 2026? Whether you want a bigger display, wireless connectivity, or advanced features like backup cameras and app support, this list has you covered. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best CarPlay screens on Amazon that offer the best performance, value, and features. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Lamto 11-inch AI CarPlay screen. The Lamto 11-inch AI CarPlay screen features a 1920 by 720 display, an 8-core processor, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, plus Google Play app support, and a built-in backup camera with DVR functionality. This is one of the most feature-rich CarPlay screens available right now. The large 11-inch display provides an immersive viewing experience, and the 60 FPS performance ensures smooth navigation and responsiveness. The ability to install apps makes it feel more like a smart tablet than a standard CarPlay unit. Pros: large 11-inch display, smooth performance with 8-core processor, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in DVR and backup camera, app support via Google Play. If you want a powerful, all-in-one CarPlay screen with advanced features, this is one of the best options in 2026. Number 2. Pioneer DMHW2770 NX. The Pioneer DMHW2770 NX is a 6.8-inch double-DIN receiver with wireless and wired CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, HD radio, and FLAC audio support. From Pioneer Corporation, this unit focuses on reliability and sound quality. The interface is simple and responsive, making it ideal for everyday use. It prioritizes performance over flashy features, which many users will appreciate. Pros: excellent audio quality, reliable and well-known brand, wireless and wired connectivity, clean and easy-to-use interface. A great choice for users who want a dependable and high-quality CarPlay system. Number 3. PEMP Linux Screen for BMW. The PEMP Linux Screen is designed specifically for BMW models from 2012 to 2017. It supports both wired and wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. This unit integrates directly into your BMW dashboard, maintaining the original factory look. The Linux-based system runs smoothly and ensures compatibility with BMW systems. It's an ideal upgrade for users who want modern features without changing the car's original design. Pros: designed specifically for BMW, OEM-style integration, wireless CarPlay support, maintains factory appearance. If you own a compatible BMW, this is one of the best retrofit solutions available. Number 4. CarPuride W72BS Pro. The CarPuride W72BS Pro is a 7-inch waterproof CarPlay screen designed for motorcycles. It includes GPS navigation, TPMS support, dual Bluetooth, and intercom functionality. This device is built for durability and outdoor use. It performs well in different weather conditions and offers useful features for riders, including communication and navigation tools. It stands out as a specialized solution for motorcycle users. Pros: waterproof and durable design, built specifically for motorcycles, dual Bluetooth connectivity, GPS and TPMS support. For motorcycle riders, this is one of the most practical and feature-packed CarPlay systems available. Number 5. Sony XAV 4000R. The Sony XAV 4000R is a 7-inch multimedia receiver with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto along with Maestro compatibility. From Sony, this unit delivers strong build quality and a smooth user experience. The touchscreen is responsive and the system is easy to navigate. It offers a good balance between performance and simplicity. Pros: high-quality build and display, smooth and responsive interface, wireless connectivity, trusted brand. A solid option for users who want a premium and reliable CarPlay unit. So, which CarPlay screen is right for you? If you want maximum features, choose the Lamto 11-inch AI screen. If you want reliability and sound quality, go with Pioneer. If you own a BMW, the PEMP Retrofit is the best fit. For motorcycle riders, CarPuride is the top choice. And for premium quality, Sony is a great option. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews.